In this video, I'll be showing you some interesting cleaning things. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my videos. Now today I am going on with the series I have, Healthy and Natural Home Hacks and Tips. Now today what I'm going to be talking about are the must-have tools for cleaning. So if you're interested in finding out what these tools are, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, what I want to talk about are the 7 must-have cleaning tools. Now, these are things that I found out to be kind of essential for you to keep your home clean. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it, and I'm going to show you my items and talk to you a little bit about them. But I do have notes, so I will be looking down at my notes from time to time. They're not in any particular order, but this is just how I have them numbered. Now, the number one thing I have is a good scrub brush. Now, this brush came from Grove Collaborative, and Dollar Tree has some good scrub brushes as well. So you need to make sure you have a good scrub brush to scrub those areas you know that need a little bit more attention. And the next item I want to talk about are spray bottles. You can sometimes make your own cleaning supplies, or what I did was I changed them from one bottle to another to make space in my home. Now, some spray bottles, you can get some at the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree has these little ones, and they also have a bigger one. I cannot find mine, it's in the garage. But they also have some bigger ones that come with purple, pink, and a green sprayer on it, and those bottles are pretty good too. They're good for use. Now what I use is these. Now what I did was I ordered these glass bottles from Amazon. I'll include the link for these down below. Now these sprayers here, they came off the Dollar Tree bottles because I want to do, okay, I have a problem with color coordination. I have to color code everything. So what I did was I color coded each spray container for me, I know what it is when I see the color. Like this one here is my MultiPurpose Cleaner. Now I put it in this glass bottle, and you say, girl, I know you say when you sit that down, it's gonna break, and you did whatever. So I ordered these. They are called Koogies. I ordered these, and these are what you put beer bottles in. So I got the different colors. I got red, teal, green. I have yellow. I have pink and purple. I ordered different, and white, I believe. I ordered different colors. Now here's the red one. Now this Koogie I found at the Dollar Tree, and I wasn't able to find any more. So here is one. This is my glass cleaner that I keep in this one. So all my glass cleaners, the one in the kitchen and then the one that goes in the bathrooms, they're all teal. So I know when I look for glass cleaner, they're in the teal container. They're all in these Koogies, which makes it okay for me. And what I did was I included the band on here. And the band, of course, is color coordinated. Yes, me. And I include a color coordinated fiber towel. So I keep them together. So when I get ready to clean and I pull out my toolkit, well, it's already has a towel attached to it. That's just my thing. I have to have things color coordinated. Now, the next thing I want to suggest are essential oils. Now, they can come in really handy when you're making your homemade products. If you don't like the smell of vinegar or whatever you're using, you put a couple of drops of essential oil, whatever you like, lemon, whatever, rose, whatever color you like, peppermint. you can put you a few drops of that in there, like maybe 10, 15 drops, and change the smell of the whole spray. So then when you spray it, now you have a smell that you like. The next thing you're going to need are disposable gloves. Now, I can't remember where I got these from. These may have been given to me when that Harvey came through and tore up Houston. I remember having about 3 or 4 boxes, so this may be some of the gloves left over from Harvey. But you need those disposable gloves when you're cleaning a toilet, or like someone mentioned to me, when their child threw up, they didn't have anything but the rubber gloves. You can have those rubber gloves on with the towel, clean up, you don't touch your hands. You don't get the gross feeling. Because I can't do throw up because it'll make me throw up. But anyway, that's another story. And the next item I want to talk to you about is a good multi-purpose cleaner. Now, here is my multi-purpose cleaner, and I use it from Method. So I ordered mine from Grove Collaborative. Now, I have a link down below for Grove Collaborative, if you haven't heard of them, where you can check out their products. They have really good products, and they are natural products. And with me being having vitiligo, as you can see the spots, my skin is very sensitive, so I have to really be careful about what products I use, because it may cause me to have a reaction, and that's a whole nother story. Now, the next thing I have on my list are sponges. Now, I always keep these with the green on the side, the softness. I always make sure I have these to clean pots and pans with and things. But I also have this one from Grove, and then this one is so like the green one, but it has the ridges on it. It's a little bit rougher if you need it for, harder cleanups. So always have you a good sponge, because you never know. The sponges, and either way, some people say you don't like to use sponges, but if you use sponges and after a couple of days, you let them sit there, and they may, if they do have an odor, or if you just like me, that want to make sure it's clean, you take your sponge, you put it in a bowl with some water, and you put a little vinegar in the water, and you sit the sponge, soak it in there, and then sit it in the microwave and cut it on for about a minute. And the microwave and the vinegar will sterilize and clean your sponge. It'll also get away any odors or any bacteria that may be building up in your sponge. So remember that you can clean it with vinegar and water in the microwave. Now, the last thing I like that hasn't messed with me yet, but it's pretty good, is this Castle soap. Now, I get this from Grove Collaborative. I ordered this bottle from them. This comes in my my subscription box when I order for the month. But this is a good cleaner. It gets your surfaces squeaky clean. So you can use this with a little water, clean your surfaces, and have everything looking and smelling great. So those are my 7 must-have cleaning tools. Now, there is another one, but I don't have it. So a lot of people say that here's a bonus one. A lot of people say that another good thing to have is the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. And that is on my list to be my next thing to get, the Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It makes it easier on cleanup on linoleum and wood floors. It cleans them up quicker than using a dust mop or a broom. And that's one thing, that's my next major investment, is to get me a cordless vacuum cleaner. I do have the vacuum cleaner that you plug in the wall, but I really would like to have the lightweight cordless one. So that is my next goal. So I just wanted to share this tad bit of information with you. I hope it was helpful to someone. Please let me know down below. Leave me a comment. I would love to read your comments and find out what you thought about this video. Those were my 7 must-have tool tips. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.